How's it going, everyone? Today we are making guacamole with probably one of my favorite plant foods of all time, the avocado. Avocados are a great source of potassium, of magnesium. They're a good source of fiber and a great source of healthy fats. So we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna put some red onion I have diced up already. We're gonna put a tomato, some cilantro, some seasonings, garlic, pepper, salt, a little bit of turmeric, give it a little twist. And we're out of limes, unfortunately, so no limes today. That's a bummer. But yeah, all right, check it out. Pro tip, if you keep some of the seeds and you put them, you save them and you put them in the bowl, it'll keep the guacamole from turning brown faster. Next, we're going to take our cilantro. All right, it's all going in there. Never enough cilantro, unless you're one of the people that thinks cilantro tastes like soap. I feel bad for you. Some people say it tastes like soap or dirt. That's unfortunate. All right, now we're gonna mix it up. Actually, we're gonna put our seasonings in there. Garlic powder. We're gonna be generous. If you have fresh garlic, even better. Put some turmeric. The turmeric, and if you have lime, it's so good. I don't know, there's something about it. It's a weird taste, but I like it. Pepper. If you're using turmeric, you always need to add black pepper. Activates the turmeric, makes it more bioavailable. There we go. If you like it spicy too, you can add a little cayenne pepper. A little bit of sea salt. And we're actually gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to. Avocado oil has a lot of oil already, but olive oil is very healthy for you too. So we're gonna use that just a little bit. And we're just gonna mix it up. Need a bigger bowl. Get every last drop. Okay, got that. And now we're literally just gonna mix it up. Use a fork. I like a fork because I like the texture. I don't like it completely pureed. Some people like to use an immersion blender. I just like a fork. I like it a little chunky. Bring it up here. Mix all that goodness up. There we go. Taste mince a little bit. See if it needs anything. It needs a little bit more salt. This sort of thing you can just get creative with. Mix it up, put whatever you like in there in terms of spices. Salt, we're gonna add a little bit more pepper. And we're gonna add a little bit more turmeric too. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory. Has a bunch of benefits. I could go on and on. But yeah, we'll just put a little bit or a lot. And garlic. There you have it. Beautiful guac. Gotta love that color. And we saved some of the pits, some of the seeds. We're gonna just plop them in there. I'm not gonna eat all this right now. And put 3 seeds in there. And that'll keep it from turning brown. If you put lime or lemon in it too, it'll help from turning brown and oxidizing. But we don't have any limes or lemons, unfortunately, and that's the only thing it's really missing. So now we have celery, and we're gonna make nice little sticks out of this, and we'll use that as a way to shove guacamole in our mouths as an alternative to chips. And yeah, we're ready to try it. I mean, it just doesn't get better than that.